What new features will OpenAI's GPT-5 explore? OpenAI has just revealed its plans for the next version of its groundbreaking AI model, promising even more advanced capabilities. But how will this shape our future interactions with AI? Let's find out. ChatGPT, OpenAI's chatbot, has been a sensation since its launch back in November 2022. Initially designed to boost productivity by helping write essays and code with simple prompts, it's now used by over 92% of Fortune 500 companies. This rapid growth has made OpenAI one of the most famous companies recently. In May 2024, OpenAI launched the GPT-4 Omni model with advanced multimodal abilities. During the event, CEO Sam Altman mentioned GPT-5, a new AI model expected to be introduced and will transform the AI abilities. This year, GPT-4 Omni became OpenAI's main model for ChatGPT. This model is free and includes voice and vision features. OpenAI released a new Read Aloud feature for the web version of the ChatGPT as well as the iOS and Android apps, which allows ChatGPT to read and respond in one of 5 voice options and can speak 37 languages. According to the company, Read Aloud is available on both GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 models. However, OpenAI paused one of its voices, Sky, after claims it sounded like Scarlett Johansson's voice from the movie Her. OpenAI is facing some internal problems, such as the exit of co-founder and chief scientist Ilya Sutskever and the end of their super alignment team. They are also dealing with a lawsuit from newspapers owned by Alden Global Capital, like the New York Daily News and the Chicago Tribune, for alleged copyright infringement similar to a lawsuit from the New York Times last year. OpenAI is training its latest models, aiming to move closer to achieving artificial general intelligence. They highlight GPT-5 as a significant advancement with improved capabilities. AGI allows AI to understand, learn, and perform tasks like online food ordering and complex problem solving without constant supervision. It's remarkable to witness OpenAI's progress and the potential GPT-5 brings. As Altman noted, they are just beginning to explore AI's new capabilities, with much room for discovery and enhancement. GPT-5 signifies a step forward in advancing AI intelligence. OpenAI's dedication to AGI hints at a future where AI can autonomously handle tasks and make important decisions based on user-defined goals. Now take a look at the short timeline of ChatGPT development. So GPT-1 was introduced in 2018 with basic language skills, but then in the next year, GPT-2 got better at general texting. In 2020, with ChatGPT-3's 175 billion parameters, they took it to the next level. And recently, GPT-4 has made everything smoother and smarter. And after all these developments now, they're excited to launch the next version GPT-5, which promises even more amazing improvements. Now, OpenAI describes ChatGPT-5 as a state-of-the-art language model that makes it feel like you're communicating with a person rather than a machine. GPT-5 will be latest in OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer models, offering major advancements in natural language processing. This model is expected to understand and generate text more like humans, transforming how we interact with machines and automating many language-based tasks. Just like GPT-4 owes incredible improvement from its previous version, you can expect a much better improvement with GPT-5. However, GPT-5 has not launched yet, but here are some predictions based on various sources. At first, it's smarter than GPT-4. Altman stated that upcoming model is much smarter, faster, and better overall. It excels at every general task, with its new features, faster speeds, and multimodal capabilities. He also stated that GPT-5 is the next generation intelligent model that will surpass all existing alternatives. Secondly, the enhanced multimodal capabilities. During a podcast with Bill Gates, Sam Altman mentioned how multimodality will be their core focus for GPT in the next 5 years, with better integration of text, voice, and visual inputs, making it more versatile in understanding and generating content across any different formats. Thirdly, better personalization. From verbal communication with a chatbot to analyzing any images, OpenAI has enhanced ability to tailor responses to individual user preferences with different inputs, audio, vision, and text. It allows users to use the device's camera to show ChatGPT an object and speak. For example, if you're in a new country and you don't know the language, you can simply ask the AI to translate it for you. However, the new model will produce results incredibly quickly. We expect to see an extraordinary advancement in GPT-5. Altman also mentioned that they will improve customization and personalization for GPT for every user. Currently, ChatGPT Plus or Premium users can build and use custom settings, enabling users to personalize a GPT as per a specific task, from teaching a board game to helping kids complete their homework. Next, we got advanced reasoning abilities. AI's ability to reason is increasingly impressive, with high calculating power enabling human-like intelligence and interactions. This capability is set to improve with upcoming GPT models. Sam Altman highlights a focus on enhancing reasoning skills, stating that the GPT-4o model already matches GPT-4 Turbo with 87.2% accurate answers. GPT-5 is trained on even more data and promises greater accuracy and performance with advanced computation with other platforms and applications, making it more easy and user-friendly. We may also get to see increased memory. AI can now remember past interactions for better and more consistent responses. It also has a larger up-to-date knowledge base for accurate information. The context window means how much data the model can process at once. Currently, GPT-4o can process 128,000 tokens at once, while Google's Gemini model can handle up to 1 million. AI expert Alan Thompson predicts GPT-5 will handle 300 times more tokens, potentially surpassing Gemini and offering significant improvements. Next, we can see increased parameter size. From GPT-1 to GPT-4, the number of parameters they use has increased, and GPT-5 follows this trend. These parameters determine how well the model can learn from data. OpenAI hasn't disclosed the exact number for GPT-5, but experts estimate it could be around 1.5 trillion, a significant increase from GPT-3's 175 billion and GPT-2's 1.5 billion. Alan Thompson, who advises Google and Microsoft, predicts GPT-5 might have between 2 to 5 trillion parameters. He bases this on the advancements in computing power and training time since GPT-4. Finally, improvised reliability. Improving reliability is a key focus for GPT over the next 2 years, so GPT-5 will give more dependable answers. Altman said that with GPT-4, if you ask the same question 10,000 times, it might give one good answer, but it can't always pick the best one. Altman also mentioned that he wants the AI to give the best response every time. With GPT-4o's improved reliability and reduced AI mistakes, we can expect GPT-5 to be even more reliable and stable. Not to forget, GPT-5 is also focused on producing content that is ethical and safe, aiming to avoid generating harmful or biased information. It aims to be a trustworthy tool with responsible AI practices. According to few sources, the release date for GPT-5 is eliminated to be sometimes in 2024, possibly around November or December, though it's not confirmed yet. Due to the upcoming US election, there might be a slight delay. The model will undergo extensive training, reinforcement learning, red team testing, and further checks before launch, which could take 4 to 6 months, which is double the time taken to develop GPT-4. Using GPT-5 is expected to be costly if OpenAI follows its usual price structure. Currently, ChatGPT with GPT-4 costs $20 per month, while GPT 3.5 is free. For API usage, GPT-4 charges $30 per million input tokens and $60 per million output tokens, doubled for the 32K version. Here's a thought to wrap it up. What other unimaginable possibilities and challenges will GPT-5 bring in the future of AI? Don't forget to comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.